standard day for me in the office would be going through emails, taking any telephone calls that come into the install or transport department, dealing with any problems, and I have about 30 people under me, so there's usually something going on. The only thing I find challenging in my role would probably be keeping everyone happy. We have a lot of different departments, a lot of customers, a lot of staff, and it's hard to keep everyone happy. What energises me at work is my competitiveness. Every day I come in and I just want to have a better day than the day before. The team around me also energises me. If I'm having a bit of a bad day, people around me bring the best out in me. What I'm really proud of since I've been at Floorspan is what I've achieved, really. I've got a qualification, a level 5 NVQ in lifting operations. It took me quite a few years to get that, and it's something I used to dream about being an AP, so I'm really happy with that. The biggest misconception about my role is people think you just sat in an office all day drinking coffee. I don't think people realise how stressful it can be. I remember one day when I had over 100 phone calls. I'd get good phone calls and bad phone calls. Some would be to thank the installers and to thank us for a great job. Others would be problems out on site with the weather. We had a bad winter, lorries were getting stuck, installers were struggling in the mud. It was a challenging one. My favourite part of the role is the people. I love being around people, and we have some great people here at Floorspan.